Hi, I'm Ron Chase with PahrumphAuction.com, located in Pahrump, Nevada. This is my shop. Come on in. Today I'm going to show you how to install RAM on a computer. It's a very simple process. After you determine what RAM you need to remove the case from your computer. Usually it's just a couple of screws in the back. Most RAM will have a prong on the bottom and the top that you simply press up and down and the RAM will pop off. Then take the new RAM and just put it in the slot. It can only go in one way. Make sure the bottom is securely in, push the lever up, push the RAM completely in, and then click the top lever down and the RAM is installed. One of the most important things to remember whenever you take your computer apart is electrostatic charges. Electricity will definitely hurt the insides of your computer. Your hard drive is volatile, your RAM is volatile, so you must make sure to discharge. The best way to do that is to touch something metal that's grounded and then to start work on your computer.